Sir, for creating a classroom class, first you have already logged into that particular account, this Power System Analysis Gmail account. After logging in, you will open Google Classroom. From here, you can open Google Classroom, and after opening this Google Classroom, you can just click on this plus symbol and then create a class. Here you will click on this and continue. After continuing, it will ask for class name. We can give Power System Analysis, and then for section we can write third year triple A, and for subject we can mention the class code, subject code. Classroom room can be any number, particular number, suppose one, and then by creating click, a classroom will be created. As I have already created the classroom, I'll just cancel it, and then here Power System Analysis class is there. For students, you can just share this code and the students can join themselves directly to this class using this code, and you can check who are the students they have joined here. And for adding yourself to the teacher, like your particular own Gmail, you can click on this part, invite teachers, and here you will add your own Gmail, and then you'll click here in invite option. Then you will receive an email to your email account for being a teacher. And for classwork, you can click on this create, then assignment. Here you can post the title of the assignment and give the instructions like how to do or something if you want to add anything. And then by clicking here in add option, you can choose the file, and after choosing the file you can go to upload, and then here you can click on browse, and it will open your laptop PC, all those files that are there, and whatever which one you want to select, you can select that file, and it will you can click on open and it will be uploaded over here. After uploading, you can choose for how much points you want to give this assignment, and you can choose the due date by which we should submit this assignment, and if you want you can mention the topic name also. And then after that you will get this option of assigning the assignment, and once you click this assign, then one assignment will be posted and every one of us will be getting the mail that we received an assignment. And once we will submit any assignment, then you can click on this class drive folder, and in this class drive folder it will directly show all those files that has been submitted by the students individually. And here in stream, if you want to post if you want to post some PPT or anything, you can click on this add and go to file. Here you can go to upload and browse the file, and whichever PPT you want to add or any file if you want to share with the students, you can choose here, and it will be uploaded and you can post it in that. So each and everyone can directly get the PPT or any PDF, anything. Each and every student who has joined using the class code can get it. And if you have checked the assignment and you want to give the grades also out of 100 marks or whichever marks you have selected, you can directly give the grades and the grades will be published over here. So that much. Thank you, sir.